production part using Program 2, I'm going to bend a 180 degree bend, then I'm going to bend an 80 degree bend. We'll insert this. And what I've done here, I'm keeping the weld seam in a neutral orientation. I'm keeping that perpendicular to the axis of bend. Here I have my layout point. I'm going to put this at the beginning of the former. I'll lock that into place. Then the 180 degree bend, we'll have both of our hands on the controls. See the tube spring out. We can release that back. What I'll do, I'll slide this back. Now we're ready for our 80 degree bend. Once again, I'm going to keep my weld seam in the neutral orientation. This also gives me kind of a reference where I can know that I'm bending in the same plane. Lock this into place. I can check my level here. It's always easy. You can make a tabletop or a jig fixture or put a level on this. I'll just eyeball this. I will make our 80 degree. For this particular production part, I have a second piece which I just want an 85 degree bend. So I will just cursor to my first bend, which is 85. And the ring clamp, orient my weld seam, lock it in place. Now what I'll do for my next piece, I'll just cursor back to 85 again. Only bend my 85 degree bend. On the weld seam, my layout mark. This can actually swing out of the way too, for if you have pins that are fairly close. We can usually swing that back into place. Have it. Here's a look of our handiwork with bends produced on the Uni 70. And if we've done our layout just right, we should be able to put one part on top of the other. Here we see that in Program 2 we produced a 180 degree bend and an 80 degree bend on two parts, and then the two other parts we just produced the 80 degree bend.